As we were heading towards Whakatane, we were getting reports that there were numbers of casualties. We were already hearing reports over the ambulance radio that there were multiple patients being on boats already. We were getting status updates, so we knew there were high acuity patients, very, very critical patients. But in the back of our mind, we could see a massive plume was coming from the island, quite devastating by the sounds of it. We didn't find any survivors on the island, and it was it would have been quite traumatic for them. When we got there, it was quite an experience. It was like I've seen the Chernobyl miniseries, and everything was just blanketed in ash. It was quite an overwhelming feeling. There was a helicopter on the island that had obviously been there at the time, with its rotor blades were off it. It's quite a shocking experience, I suppose, but we have to try and put that to the side for now and get on with what we're doing.
To those who have